Welcome to Dr. Rao's lecture series. Topic of this video: Engineering Mechanics, Basic Problems in Statics. Consider a problem. Two identical smooth spheres, each of radius 200 mm and weight 20 newtons, rest on a horizontal floor between two vertical walls as shown in the figure. The distance between the walls is 720 mm. Find the reaction at contact points E, F, D and G. First we will consider the free body diagram of the system. This is the free body diagram. At every contact point there will be a reaction. In this problem, we have to find out the inclination of O1, O2 with horizontal. The procedure to find out the inclination of O1, O2 with horizontal, that is angle alpha, is from triangle O1, N1, O2, O1N equal to 720 minus 200 plus 200, that is equal to 320 mm. O1, O2 400 mm. Alpha is cos inverse O1N divided by O1, O2. From this we will get alpha as 36.87 degrees. Consider the free body diagram of sphere 1. The forces acting on the sphere 1 are its own weight 20 newtons, reaction at contact point F, RF, reaction at contact point E, RE, reaction due to sphere 2 at contact point D, RD. These forces are represented on a Cartesian coordinate system as shown. Resolving forces in the x direction, RE equal to RD cos 36.87 degrees, RE equal to 0.8 RD. Let us say this is equation 1. Resolving forces in the y direction, RF equal to RD sin 36.87 degrees plus 20, RF equal to 0.6 RD plus 20. Let us say this is equation 2. Consider the free body diagram of sphere 2. The forces acting on the sphere 2 are its own weight 20 newtons, reaction at contact point G, RG, reaction due to sphere 1 at contact point D, RD. These forces are represented on a Cartesian coordinate system as shown. These are the forces. Resolving forces along x direction, RG equal to RD cos 36.87 degrees, RG equal to 0.8 RD. Let us say this is equation 3. Resolving forces along y direction, RD sin 36.87 degrees equal to 20. The value of RD is 33.33 newtons. Substituting the value of RD in equation 3, RG equal to 0.8 into RD, RG equal to 0.8 into 33.33, that is equal to 26.67 newtons. Substituting the value of RD in equation 1, RE equal to 0.8 RD, the value of RE is 0.8 into 33.33, this is equal to 26.67 newtons. Substituting the value of RD in equation 2, that gives RF, RF equal to 0.6 RD plus 20. Substituting value of RD, RF will be 40 newtons. The reactions at contact points are RD equal to 33.33 newtons, RG 26.67 newtons, RE 26.67 newtons, RF equal to 40 newtons.